Welcome to Eve Math Tutoring. Today we're going to be learning about dividing polynomials using long division. So say I want to divide a polynomial by a binomial, and I have the following question. Divide 4x cubed plus 9x minus 12 by 2x plus 1. So when I set this up, I'm going to write down 2x plus 1. And then here I'm going to write 4x3 plus 0x squared because I have nothing in my x squared. I have nothing in my x squared place, so I have to put a placeholder, plus 9x minus 12. So then I think about how many times does 2x go into 4x cubed? Well, it goes in 2x squared because 2x squared times 2x is 4x cubed. So this times this is going to give me this. And then I multiply 2x squared by 1 to get 2x squared. And then I subtract. 4x cubed minus 4x cubed, because these are both like terms, you can subtract them. So in this case it becomes 0x cubed, and then 0x squared minus 2x squared is negative 2x squared. And then I bring down the 9x. So then I say how many times does 2x go into negative 2x squared? Well, that would be negative x times. Negative x times 2x is negative 2x squared. So basically, when you're multiplying x times x, they both have an exponent of 1, and when you multiply two things with the same base, you have to add the exponents. So that's how I get the x squared here. Then we do negative x times plus 1, and we get negative x, and then we subtract. So this minus this is 0, 9 minus negative x gives me 10x. And then I bring down the negative 12. And then 2x goes into 10x positive 5 times. And then positive 5 times 2x is 10x. And then positive 5 times positive 1 is positive 5. And then when I subtract, I get negative 17. So this is a remainder. So this is our answer for this question, 2x squared minus x plus 5. Okay, so we're going to do another example. So let's try x3 plus 7x squared plus 14x plus 8 divided by x plus 2. So I do x plus 2 into x3 plus 7x squared plus 14x plus 8. So how many times does x go into x cubed? It goes x squared because x squared times x to the 1 is x to the 3. Okay. So going the opposite way, x to the 3 divided by x to the 2 is equal to x to the 1. You subtract the exponents. So then this times this is x3, and then this times this is 2x squared, and then we subtract, and we get, these are like terms, so we can subtract them. We get 0, and here we get 5x squared, and we bring down the 14x. How many times does x go into 5x squared? 5x times. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 2 is 10x. And then we subtract, and we get 4x plus 8. We bring down the 8. X goes into 4x 4 times. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 2 is positive 8. And then we subtract, and we get 0. So the answer is right here. And then you would check if you could factor this further if you want to factor it as much as possible. But in this case, you could just leave the answer. Okay, so that's dividing polynomials using long division.